Hello everyone, how are you? Hope you are all good. Guys, today I bring for you cheapest Bluetooth smartwatch, which is a Chinese brand, full touch sports smartwatch. So today we will unbox and check what is inside, and I will review about this watch. It's a very cheap, its price in between $30 to $35. So let's open this box and check what inside we found. So I'm going to open this box. As you can see, I found inside one cup and one manual, and this manual in English and Chinese. We keep one side this manual. So inside we found one smartwatch, as you can see, very beautiful and slim smartwatch, one smartwatch charging connector. So first we will talk about its specification. This smartwatch specification is, it's a model number, product number V19 product number, and this strap size is 44 mm by 11 mm. So its length almost 44 mm and its width is 11 mm. It's available in black, silver, rose gold and pink. Too many colors available for this watch. Which one you like, you can buy this one. Its display is 1.3 inch IPS color screen display, which resolution is 240 by 240. So it's mean 1.3 inch display and with 240 by 240 resolution. It's a full touch panel. It's a full touch watch, and they are using 180 mAh lithium battery for charge this smartwatch, and it's charging with this charging clip. So you can clip this charger with this smartwatch. So easily this smartwatch will just, you need to like this way you can charge this smartwatch. I will show you charging in later. First we will talk about its specification, then we will go to its charging as well. This watch using application name Wearfit. So you can install that application from for Android Play Store, Google Play Store. For iOS you can use Apple Store as well. Its connectivity with Bluetooth 5.0. It support Android 4.4 or above and for Apple 9.0 or above. So no problem for connectivity issue for this device. Let's on this watch. You can see back side as well. This is the sensor for measuring blood pressure or O2, and this is the charging connector points. This is the button for on of the smartwatch. As you can see, display is on. There is lot of display in application as well. Which one you like, you can keep that one. You can see there is measuring function and too many function available in this smartwatch. This is for selfie camera clip, message notification coming showing here. This is the training in through application. This is SpO2 level. If you want to measure, it will measure. This is blood pressure level. It will show you blood pressure, but this blood pressure you cannot use for as a medical reference. This is the heartbeat, heart rate measuring, BPM. Sleeping, if you wear this device and sleeping, you can monitor how much hour you sleep. This is a step. If you walking or running, exercising, so you can see how many steps you are taking. So this is the function of this Bluetooth. Let's talk about its features. So I will tell you features of this smartwatch. This is 1.3 inch IPS with 240 by 240 resolution, built-in 180 mAh lithium battery, which will give you normally 6 to 8 days, and if you are not using too much, also give you more than 10 days as well. And also this watch support real-time weather update, also support heart rate monitor, blood pressure, oxygen measurement. You can measure your blood pressure, heart rate and oxygen level as well. Support multiple motion modes like walking, riding, football, rope skipping, running, basketball, badminton, swimming. So this all exercise motion support on this watch. And also variety of different style dials you can choose and replace from application. Wide variety of different style dials, so which one you like, you can choose that one. It's a call, reminder, message, push, all notification you can take on this device like Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, Instagram. So from application you need to on the notification setting, so after you can get all notification this device. And its application also supporting wide languages like English, Korean, German, Spanish, Chinese, French, Italian, Russian, Arabic. So which language you like, you can keep that one. Now we will see the charging of this smartwatch. For charging you need just put this clip on this like this way. I show you like this way. You need to put this clip with your device and connect this one with charger. After you can see the charging of this device. So I connect my charger here after I show you. So you can see there is charging logo, it's showing the device in charging mode. So like this way you can charge your device. So I also show you how it's look like after wearing in your hand. So guys, you can see this one look like after wearing your hand. So you can see this is looking pretty good after wearing in hand. So it's a comfortable smartwatch in very cheap price between $30 to $35. So tell me in comments how's this watch. And also this is very easy to remove strap and replace by just one click. So you can put and remove this strap in just one click, because there is pushable pin, so easily you can push and remove and fix back this one. So guys, how's the video? Tell me in comment. And how you like this watch. This watch buying link in description. If you like this one, you can buy through my link in description. I will give you Amazon link as well, Aliexpress link as well. Before going, kindly support me, subscribe my YouTube channel, like the video, share with your friend, and keep supporting guys. Stay safe. See you next video. Take care. Bye bye.